Hello YouTube, what's up guys? I hope you're doing okay. Today I'm just back from meeting my friends and I am using this Lvoe Pochette accessoire as my mini bag or my bag for the day. Okay, so I think it's a good time to show you what's in my bag. A little bit about this pochette. Okay, I got this preloved in 2019 and I love this pochette very much. I had the mini pochette as well, but then I sold the mini pochette because it's too small. It just doesn't, it cannot fit most of the thing that I bring every time. But Pochette accessoires is just, it's perfect. Okay, so right now this pochette is in full condition, which means like, I put it until the top like that. So if you can see, it will create some kind of curve in here because it's full. Okay, and even that you still can see some space in here that you can slip in something small if you like. Okay, before we got to what's inside this pochette, I want to show you this extender. Okay, because I want to add more length into the original strap because this is quite short for me, to my liking. This is too short, and I bought this in 2019, but the pochette accessoire is actually older than that. Okay, I will show you the tag later on inside. Okay, and this pochette is made in Spain. Okay, all right, let's just see a little bit on the hardware. It still looks good, but of course there are tarnishes over there. The zip is still smooth. Okay, let's see what I have inside today. Okay, in my pochette. All right, let's get one by one from the top. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, first thing, I have a key, house key, and okay, passport. Always bring passport everywhere. And then I have a spare mask. I have this Bath and Body Works. Yeah, I met my friends, right, and she gave it to me today, so I got this today from meeting her. Thank you, girl. And then I have this phone, iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, it fits nicely in this pochette accessoire. That's why I love it so much. Okay, now I have this like a card holder and card and for cash as well. So this is the Naraya brand. Naraya is a brand from Thailand, and I love this so much. This is my favorite local brand from Thailand. And you see inside it's kind of like a silky feel, silky material. So there I have the cards and some cash. So if I go out with this pochette accessoire, I will not bring my wallet, like the full wallet, the trifold wallet or other wallet. I will bring something simple like this, like card holder, because it will save more space inside the pochette. Okay, right, simple. Okay, now what else do I have here? I have hand sanitizer, Rare Beauty lip cream. I love this so much. It is not waterproof and easy to transfer, but the texture of this is very light and I like it for that. It doesn't make my lips dry. Okay. Okay, this is the car key. So what's cool about that is whenever I go out, I just need to bring this too. It usually goes together like this. Okay, so and then I leave the car. I just need to take it out. Okay, and I just bring this car key inside the pochette. Okay, then I have another Rare Beauty mascara. Then I have Airpod, right? Airpod. I didn't use this much, but I bring this just, you know, just in case I get bored. This is the one that I want to show you. So the reason why I bring this is because I have this. Today I'm wearing fake magnetic eyelashes. So for that, I need to have this, you know, magnetic eyeliner. When the eyelashes, you know, need some fix, I have to have this to fix the eyelashes. But if that eyelashes, you know, bothering me so much, or like I cannot fix that eyelashes, I will just go switch to mascara. And this mascara works the best. You know, it just make the volume of our lashes go up. I know, I love this. All right, but a matter of fact, my magnetic eyelashes last like until I got home. So it's about 4 hours, 4 hours, I think. This is from the Bath and Body Works that my friend gave me. And I have here the chain. Okay, this is also I got from Shopee. So it's to add more length to the pochette. You know, just in case I want to carry it crossbody style. So I always have this inside the pochette. Let's see how is the inside right now. Okay, and again, there is no lining or there's no back insert in here, because you know the back insert will take more space of your pochette. So you just need to be careful what you put inside there, and make sure they are clean before you put inside. Okay, and then I want to show you the date over here. So the date code in here, okay, we cannot see that. It's a 1057, CA 1057. So 1057. This pochette is made in 2007. Okay, that's why the handle here, the strap here, is shorter than the newest version. Okay, so let's put everything inside the pochette. Okay, and how do I arrange this? Okay, now I will first put this spare mask. Okay, and then my passport, my phone, and this card holder. Let's see how is it inside. Like that. Okay, cool. Now I want to put this hand sanitizer somewhere in the corner. Okay, and car keys as well in the corner. And I will put this eyeliner and mascara in the corner as well. And this lipstick, this lip cream in the corner. Okay, and then I have Airpods in that corner. Okay, this chain I just slip in somewhere there. Okay, it will fall down. And then house key. And this is the gift from my friend. Right there. It's so full, but let's try to close it. There you go. It's all fit inside, and I love this pochette very much. Oh, what's that? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have a pochette accessoire, let me know what you think about this. If you are thinking to get this pochette accessoire, I would say this is a very useful piece. Best of luck if you are getting this, okay? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.